In this video, we will imagine you're at a magic show. The magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat, saws a box with a person inside in half, and makes a bouquet of flowers disappear. If you had to tell your friend what the show was about, you wouldn't describe each trick in detail, right? You'd probably say, it was a magic show. That's the theme, or central idea. It's the main point that ties everything together. And that's what we're going to do with our books. We're going to be book magicians, looking for the magic trick that ties the story together. This is what we call the theme or central idea. Let's take the book Charlotte's Web as an example. The theme or central idea. This is like our magic show. After we read the whole story, we ask ourselves, what was the main point? Well, for Charlotte's Web, the theme might be friendship can make big changes, particular details. These are like the magic tricks. There are specific things in the story that help show the theme. For example, Charlotte writing words in her web to help Wilbur is a specific detail that shows how friendship can make a big difference. Summary. At the end, we want to give a quick show recap or summary of the text without our personal opinions. So we'd say something like, in Charlotte's Web, a spider named Charlotte helps her friend Wilbur the pig avoid being turned into bacon by writing messages about him in her web. Remember, as book magicians, we're not just retelling the whole story trick by trick. We're explaining the magic show's theme, the special tricks that show that theme, and giving a quick recap of the show. And remember, no personal opinions in the recap. Just like a real magician, we're keeping our secrets to ourselves. So, are you ready to put on your magic capes and start finding the magic in your books? Let's get to it.